What if I told you that 3 research papers changed the world? That sounds impossible, right? So let me tell you a story. Not about a product, but about the papers that made these ideas possible. In 2012, 3 researchers named Alex Krzyzewski, Ilya Sutskever, and Geoffrey Hinton at the University of Toronto did something crazy. They trained a computer to look at photos and recognize what was inside them. It wasn't the first time anyone tried this, but it was the first time it actually worked well. Their model was called AlexNet. This was the birth of deep learning as we all know it. But here's what makes the story wild. Many professors believe that neural networks were a dead end. They saw neural network as too slow, too expensive, and too complicated. But AlexNet changed everything. Geoffrey Hinton, one of the authors, has waited a decade for this moment, and it finally happened. AI Spring began. So now AI could see. Could it understand? Not just what an object looks like, but what a word means. In 2013, Google researchers Thomas Mikolov and team released Word 2Vec. This model didn't just read words, it turned them into vectors that carried meaning. It made machines understand relationship between words. And for the first time, AI wasn't just reading letters, it was reading context. Then in 2017, 8 Google engineers dropped a bomb. It was called Attention is all we need. Inside this paper was the idea of transformers. Before this paper, language model had one big problem. They could only look at few words at a time. But with transformers, they could look at everything all at once. Now, this was the foundation of language models, translation, and GPT. 3 papers, 5 years, 1 revolution. We went from lab models to machines that can recognize image, patterns, and extract context from human inputs. All because a few people wrote ideas no one cared about initially until the world caught on. So here's a reminder, keep building. You might actually be one paper away from making history.